Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this vortex teardrop shape flower. This is a new technique, but it's really fun. I hope you'll watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So firstly, you need 3 different color strips. Attach them together with using glue. Now take your regular comb. Now take the strip that you have attached. Make a loop like this and just insert it to the comb. Now you have to make the loop with using this comb till the end of the strip. I hope you can see clearly what I'm doing. So once you are done, so take it off very carefully. Attach its end with using glue. You'll have a teardrop kind of shape here. Now just take your quilling tool or your tweezer, place it in the middle of this and just press it like I'm doing it. Now hold this leaf from the bottom. Stretch the opposite portion like this. So this is how you get your vortex. You can twist as well. Twist right and then twist it back. So this is ready. So our vortex is ready. The same way I have created 4 more here. Totally we have 5. So now I'm just going to assemble my flower. Apply some glue and just attach one by one. I have here white pearl, so I'm just attaching it in the middle. Just use a bit glue and attach it. So this is so simple, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please guys do it right now because it's absolutely free. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care.